Hello, welcome to Milltown Threads, weaving together stories of our past, sponsored by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Today, how did they make that spool? The Willimantic Thread Company is famous for selling thread on spools. The spools are made usually out of white birch. When the company needed a source of birch trees, they went to Maine and they bought several thousand acres of birch in the state of Maine. They had sawmills where the spools were made out of the good birch, and shipping crates were made there also. The wood would be turned and cut into spools on a lathe, and then the individual spools, thousands of them, would be tumbled to sand them into soft finished wood. A tumbler is like a giant barrel, and it's turning, and it has gravel inside, and it turns and turns, and the gravel will sand the wood into soft spools.